it was all over.
Hey! 3 fucking feet, asshole! Every time you pass a cyclist, there best be 3 feet between you and me.
I want the top. All my people right there in the back of the spot. I need the top. If you know me, you don't know me to stop. I need the top. All my people there in the back of the spot. Let them get shot.
That's second-degree assault on camera, asshole!
And you don't just wake up rich one day. This kind of life never just went your way. I gave up, taking care 3 trips to the bay. Cali down, it's cause I got a flip in LA. Paris back, making new videos on the way.
You just committed second-degree assault on camera! You just committed a felony on camera!
All my people right there in the back of the spot. I need the top.
Came about 6 inches from clipping me with his side mirror. You work with that fella? He shouldn't be working for you. He commits felonies on camera. It's bad for business.
Drinks on chill, got drinks on chill. Lights getting dim and I think I will. I work so hard that I think I will. Yeah, the long week, bitch, how you think I feel? History favors the bold dog. Roll something, make sure my story gets told. Make sure I story